Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for all pocket watch lovers. In this video, I'll be replacing the balance staff of an Elgin Grade 291, which has one of its pivots broken. Stay until the end to see the surprise. Let's get started. After removing the balance wheel, we can confirm that the lower pivot is broken. So let's grab the staking set and get to work. Start by removing the hairspring. Place the balance wheel on the roller remover tool and use a punch to remove the roller. Use a punch to remove the balance wheel staff. Now that we've removed the old balance staff, it's time to find the correct replacement, the number 861, size 16, which fits this movement perfectly. Place the balance staff into one of the holes of the staking tool, choosing the tightest fit so there's absolutely no play. First, use a punch with a curved tip, tapping lightly while gradually rotating the balance wheel so the staff settles evenly. Now select a punch with a flat tip to complete the securing process. And now for the surprise. See that little shiny spot in the center of the jewel? That's actually the broken pivot from the old staff, which stayed stuck inside the jewel. Since this watch isn't going to be cleaned yet, I'm going to try removing it using the blue Bergeon Watchmaker's cleaning putty. With the small pivot removed, let's reassemble the balance wheel and see if everything is working properly. Now let's install the roller and the hairspring. The watch is finally running again, and the next step will be a full service, but that will be in a future video. Thanks for watching until the end, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos.